Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best LED connectors is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components when setting up your LED strip lighting projects, ensuring a seamless and reliable connection that can make or break the entire aesthetic and functionality of your illumination. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting with accent lighting, understanding the nuances of these small but mighty accessories is key to achieving professional-looking results and avoiding frustrating troubleshooting down the line, ultimately transforming your space with vibrant and consistent light. Number 5. 4-pin RGB LED light strip connectors. Introducing our 10-pack of 4-pin RGB LED light strip connectors. These are designed for seamless, unwired, and solderless connections, making your lighting projects a breeze. Our connectors are compatible with 0.39-inch or 10mm wide SMD 5050 RGB flexible LED strips. They ensure a perfect fit for your lighting needs. Specifically designed for 10mm waterproof RGB LED strips with a silicone coating. These solderless couplers provide a reliable connection even in challenging environments. Experience a quick splitter connection with our solderless snap-down solution. It's designed for waterproof strips, offering an easy and fast setup. These 4-pin connectors work with 10mm wide LED strips and operate efficiently within a temperature range of 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. They provide stable and consistent performance. We stand by our product with a 12-month return policy and a 1-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This option offers a truly gapless connection for waterproof LED strips, ensuring a seamless look. If you're working with waterproof 10mm RGB strips and want a clean, professional finish without any soldering, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for ease of use and comes with a product guarantee. What people say. The connectors are easy to use and install, making the setup process quick and hassle-free. They provide a secure and reliable connection for LED strip lights, ensuring consistent performance. The design of the connectors is compact and unobtrusive, blending well with the LED strips without adding bulk. Number 4. JACKYLED 10mm 4-pin LED strip light connectors. Introducing the JACKYLED L-shape LED connectors, designed for your 10mm wide, 4-pin LED strip lights. Ensure compatibility before purchase for a perfect fit. These connectors offer dual purposes, allowing for both 90-degree corner connections with L-shaped pieces and straight extensions. They are suitable for all 4-pin, 10mm wide LED strips, including waterproof and non-waterproof types. Enjoy a quick and solid connection without the need for soldering. Simply slide your light strip under the connector's pins and snap the clip shut for an easy setup. Connect your RGB plus strips effortlessly, regardless of the order of markings. As long as the positive plus symbol terminals align on both sides, the connection will work perfectly. This comprehensive kit includes L-shaped connectors, straight couplers, and extra clips. You'll also find detailed instructions, with online support available for any assistance you may need. What we like. This kit provides versatility with both L-shaped connectors for corners and straight couplers for extensions. If you're planning a complex lighting layout that involves turns or need flexibility in your installation, this set is ideal. It also includes extra clips and dedicated customer support for any assistance you might need. What people say. The connectors are easy to use and create a secure connection for LED strip lights. These connectors are well made and provide a reliable way to extend or join LED strips. The design of these connectors allows for quick and simple installation without any soldering required. Number 3. LED strip light connector kit for 5050 RGB. Experience enhanced durability with our upgraded connectors and clips. They are designed for solid, unbroken connections, perfect for any corner, and feature a strong, aesthetically pleasing frosted design. This comprehensive set includes 11 types of accessories to meet all your needs. You'll find various connectors, clips with screws, and essential tools for a complete setup. Ensure a perfect match for your 10mm wide SMD 5050 RGB LED light strips. These 4-pin connectors are specifically designed for them, so please verify compatibility before purchase. Setting up your lights has never been easier. Simply open the clip, insert your strip, ensure correct polarity, close the clip, and you're done, no soldering required. Effortlessly connect your light strips to each other, to controllers, or to splitters. This kit provides a secure and reliable solution for all your lighting configurations. From corners to straight runs, our connectors and clips offer versatility. They are ideal for various applications, ensuring your lighting project is completed with ease and style. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit offering a wide array of accessories beyond just connectors, including various types of connectors, clips, and tools. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your 10mm RGB LED strip project and want the convenience of having everything you need in one package, this is an excellent option. The upgraded connector quality also ensures durability. What people say. Easy to use and install, no soldering required. These connectors are very sturdy and hold the LED strip securely. Works perfectly with 10mm wide RGB LED strips, creating a seamless connection. Number 2. 44-key wireless IR remote controller kit. Transform your space with our versatile LED strip light controller. Easily manage colors, brightness, and dynamic modes for the perfect ambience. Choose from 20 static colors or explore exciting modes like flash, strobe, and fade. You can even save your favorite DIY settings. This kit includes everything you need, featuring a DC 12V3A power supply adapter for reliable performance. Designed to work seamlessly with 5050, 3528, and 2835 RGB LED strip lights with 4-pin connectors. For optimal performance, we recommend using this controller with LED strips up to 65 feet. Ensure proper function by checking the length before purchase. Your package contains the 44-key IR remote, rectifier control box, US 12V3A power adapter, and 4-pin connectors. What we like. This package bundles a controller, remote, and power supply, making it a complete solution for controlling your RGB LED strips. If you've just bought LED strips and need a way to power and control them with various color and mode options, this is a convenient choice. It's best suited for installations up to 65 feet. What people say. The connectors are easy to use and install, making it simple to connect LED strip lights without any soldering. They provide a secure and reliable connection, ensuring the LED strips function properly and consistently. The design is compact and unobtrusive, allowing for a clean and professional-looking installation of LED lighting. Number 1. Solderless LED strip connectors with extension cable. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for your lighting projects. You get 10 transparent connectors and a 16.4-foot extension cable, perfect for all your connection needs. These connectors work seamlessly with most LED light strips, including 5V, 12V, and 24V models. They are ideal for 10mm strips and 22 AWG wires, supporting both solid and multi-core types. Say goodbye to complicated setups. You can connect your LED strips without stripping wires, soldering, or removing waterproof covers. It's a quick and convenient way to save time and effort. Constructed from high-quality, transparent material, these connectors ensure a secure and safe connection, minimizing dark spots in your lighting. The included wire is made of sturdy tin-plated copper for long-lasting performance. Installation is straightforward. Simply insert the wire into the guide slot, press down, and align the pads with the pins. Just double-check that the positive and negative poles are correctly matched for a perfect connection. What we like. This option comes with a generous 16.4-foot extension cable and transparent connectors, offering a complete setup for extending your LED strips. If you need to bridge a longer distance or connect components without the hassle of stripping wires or soldering, this kit is a great pick. The transparent design also helps maintain a clean aesthetic. What people say. These connectors are a game-changer for LED strip light installations. They make connecting strips incredibly easy and secure, eliminating the need for soldering. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending seamlessly with the LED strips themselves. I was particularly impressed with how well they held the wires in place, ensuring a reliable connection every time. The variety of connectors included in the pack, corner, straight, etc., made it possible to achieve a professional-looking finish on my project. Overall, a fantastic product that simplifies LED strip lighting. I've tried several different types of LED strip connectors in the past, but these are by far the best. The build quality is excellent, and they feel very durable. The connection mechanism is simple yet effective, providing a strong and stable link between the strips. I appreciated the clear instructions provided, which made the setup process straightforward. These connectors have saved me a lot of time and frustration, allowing me to complete my lighting project much faster than I anticipated. Highly recommended for anyone working with LED strips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.